Quarantine. It actually helped me get back to cubing more, so it's really not that bad for me. But there is one thing that really sucks. You can't go to cubing competitions. Luckily, there is still a way to compete and get the closest possible experience to an actual competition right now. That is online cubing competitions. There are so many of them to choose from right now, like cubing at home, cubing outside, cubing in the bathroom. So recently I decided to compete in one of these competitions, and this is how it went. But first, how do online cubing competitions even work? Well, it's actually really easy. First, you register, and then there are scheduled times for each event. So you wait for that time, and when it comes, 5 different scramble algorithms appear. You scramble up your puzzle as it says, and then use some kind of a timer. Yes, it is optional to time your solve. Then you write your times and submit it, and later cry that you didn't win. Solve 3. Okay, solve 4. 635. Solve 5. Not a +2. Okay, 9. Okay, this is 2 by 2 round 1. U R U 2 F. Okay. CS timer. I hope I can fix it, but oh man, that is not visible at all. Not good. Okay. Okay, second scramble. Or YouTube. Okay. Solve 2. What? They're all the same. What? 2, 3, 4? Why are they all the same? That is so strange. Okay. They are all the same. That is really weird, but I guess I'm just gonna keep going. R U 2 F U R. That is so strange. But these are the scrambles, I guess. So 209. Why are they all the same? I think there's like something wrong here, but definitely U R U 2 F U F U 2 R U, and it's the screen 168. That is my personal best right now. There's something really wrong here. But I mean, these are the scrambles. I cannot really do anything. Man. Oh, oh no, okay. That's a DNF here. No, that's a DNF. Okay, so this competition, there's just so much wrong going with it. It doesn't work at all, pretty much. All the scrambles appear like 10 minutes later after they should have, and the 2x2 scrambles were all the same. And I mean, I cannot do anything about it. It just doesn't, it's not there. It's not here. I don't even know if they have my solves. I mean, I did submit them, but I really don't know. Okay, after 5 more minutes, the scrambles finally appeared, and they do not seem to be the same now. So that's good. 3x3 round 1. Left. Okay. Solve 1. I'm gonna move the camera a bit, so hopefully it's visible. Let me check that I'm sweating. Man, I am sweating so much. Okay, there's not a lot of time left, but I hope I make it in time. And the sun is not on my side today. For the next competition, I'll really try to probably do it in a different place because the sun is absolutely blocking the way. Okay, I'm showing. Yeah, okay. Solve 4. Okay. Are solve 5. No, no. Oh no, come on. 27 seconds. Okay, they called off 2x2. No, I did get a personal best, but oh well. I mean, honestly, it really sucks because I really wanted to do 2x2. That was probably the event that I definitely wanted to do the most. Okay, 3x3 round 2. For first solve. Down. Okay. Um. Solve 1. Oh God. Okay, that was pretty bad. Okay, scramble 2. Uh, all right, solve 2. Okay, that's it's actually a pretty good time for me at least. Okay, solve 3. Okay, it's still recording. Solve 3. 1848. Damn, that's actually a pretty good time as well. Solve 4. Back inverse. I'm just checking if it's still recording. Okay, solve 4. Oh man, that is not a good solve. Solve 5. Oh, inverse, okay. Solve 5. It is still being recorded, okay. Okay. 21 seconds. Well, the average of 5. 1925, okay. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty happy. Okay, so right now I decided to also do Pyraminx, even though I don't really know how to even solve it that well. I mean, I never really tried to speed qubit. So this will be a challenge, but it'll probably be fun. Okay, back here now. Okay. I'm actually kind of happy for that. I have no idea. Okay, solve 2. Oh god, I don't know this one at all. Um, or, okay, solve 3. Uh, oh, oh, got a 490, 419. That is a good time in my opinion. I think that's a PB for me. Scramble 4. No. Okay, solve 4. You 1106. Okay, so this was the first time I ever tried to compete in an online competition, and honestly, it was really interesting. Especially at the beginning, it felt legit because I was getting stressed out and nervous, I was sweating. It kind of felt like an actual competition. I'm sure I will compete in more online cubing competitions during quarantine, so stay tuned for that. Uh, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and possibly even subscribe. Uh, Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.